With the holidays right around the corner, we've got baking season coming up, my friends, so that means this is your reminder to clean your damn oven. Yeah, if you can't remember the last time you cleaned it, it's probably gross like mine is here. So we gotta put in the work and clean it up, you know what I mean? Your cookies are going to taste a lot better in a clean oven versus a nasty, greasy one. So here we go, baby. We're cleaning this bad boy up. One step at a time. I sprayed Easy Off on this, and I know what some of you are gonna say. Oh, chemicals. Yeah? Well, it's 100% fucking easier, I'll tell you that. It just wipes off. This shit just comes right off. So you know what? For the time that it saves me, I don't care about the extra year that I'm gonna lose on my life because it probably saves me a year in cleaning time. This is the most fun part right here, the racks. It's always the most fun part. But you know what? You just got to get it done. One little fucking spoke at a time, all right? Eventually, you're going to run out of spokes because there aren't any more. You know what I mean? You just got to get it clean, guys. Your baked goods are going to taste so much better this holiday season. And I know that my family's going to appreciate this beautiful clean oven that I'm baking their fucking cookies in and all the beautiful treats that I'm going to be making out of this bad boy. That's what I'm talking about, baby. I'm getting ready for the holiday season. How about you guys? Yeah, buddy, look at this beautiful thing. That shine and glisten. I can't wait to bake some shit up in here.